Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku on January 24, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. 5th grade. We have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Column D we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. In the middle grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. We will confirm later. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7, 8. Third row and 5th row and 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Third row we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Third grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 4, 8. Fourth row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Column J we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. We will confirm later. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6, 9. In this grid, we have 9 and 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C and 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. We'll confirm later. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. Fifth row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E and column G we have 2. Fourth row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. In third row and column E we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Column F we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second grade, 4 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 6, 9. We have pair numbers. Second row we have 4 and 9. Fourth row we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. Then 4 and 9 will come any one of the two cells. Column G we have 9. So 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Second grid only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 3. Column C we have 3, so 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. First grid, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 2, 7. Second row we have 1 and 6, so 1 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come any one of the cells. Column D we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column D we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. And column D only one numbers are remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column B we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 10th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. We'll confirm later. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 10th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, the 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column G we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column J we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column H only one numbers are remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column I we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column I we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column J we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column J we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.